Hello everyone, welcome back to another week of US stock market indices forecast for the third week of June. So let us look at the S&P 500 index. It's clear that the previous high has been breached. We are at an all-time high. So the overall trend is still uptrend, with S&P 50 being the support line. The RSI, no bearish sentiment. The MACD is showing a bullish movement, but not quite a powerful bullish movement. The stochastic is still going uptrend, but we will be watching out for some bearish divergence within the next week or the next week. So overall, S&P 500 is still going uptrend. From the talks of inflation and so on, I may be only adding up some position when the price fall back to the previous high area, and then the target profit will be about 4,300 within the next few months. Moving on to the Nasdaq 100, the price is going to reach the previous high in April, so we are seeing the price is starting to break out from the range trading that we are experiencing. And RSI is no bearish sentiment. MACD is bullish currently. Stochastic, maybe some bearish divergence showing in the next week or next few weeks. So overall, the trend is slightly going upwards currently. So let's see whether it is going to breach through the previous high. Personally, I think it's going to breach through previous high and going further up within the next few months. So I'll be looking to adding some long position. At the current price, could be a good bargain. So within the next, I added about here, 1, 2, 3, 4, on Monday, somewhere here. Like I reviewed in the previous video for this week forecast. So I'm in a profit zone. Maybe on Tuesday I'll be break even it and then push up the target price until 14,250 like that. For New York Composite Index, previous high has been reached. So now the price is figuring out what to do. So like I said, the current market trend is still in an uptrend, but MACD is showing some bearish movement. Stochastic also, maybe the price will zigzag around this level, or maybe a slight pullback, and then we will see a further upward bullish movement. So I'll be adding some position within this zone. Within this zone, if price is showing some pullback to the S&P 50 area, I'll be adding more position. Moving on to the Nasdaq Composite, the price is challenging, going to reach the previous high, maybe the next week or the final week of June. The S&P 50 is showing some good upward movement during this short-term period. MACD is showing some bullish trend. Stochastic is reviewing some various divergence currently. We'll see the price maybe retrace a bit or stagnation, and then reaching the trying to reach the previous high within the next week. For Dow Jones Industry, previous high still not reached. The price is looking to test the SMA 50 trend line. So MACD is showing some bearish divergence. Stochastic is retracing back to the median, so maybe we'll see some upward movement within next week. Overall, the trend for Dow Jones is still bullish, but we have to see the transportation index first. Looking at the Dow Jones transportation, previous high no reach. Price has break through a previously strong support point, now testing the SMA 50 line. If the price continues downwards, then we might have a short-term bearish market, maybe reaching until this area, 14,750, or within this area. If the price pull back within this zone, then I'll be adding some long position. If price further move back here, I'll be adding even more long position. But if the price started going upward, then all is fine. I'm not looking to add some more position because I've several position built up long position already. So the Dow Jones transportation is showing some market slowdown. Looking back at the industrial index, it is still holding, but if the transportation index is moving downward, then we expect some market retrace, testing the previous support line at the 33,000 area, and then further move up. For gold, previous week was here. I think the price is ranging currently within this zone. MACD is showing some bearish sentiment. Stochastic is going to show some bullish divergence. So if the stochastic is moving downward further, then the next bearish movement will be quite substantial. But like I forecast, it will still be trying to reach this previous high back in early 2021 within the 1900 zone. So currently, I think looking at the volume, the market and the big banks and the big institution is currently confused whether where the direction for gold is going. Some people will be at some position within here. I'll be waiting the market price to test the SMA 200 line before I'll be adding some long position upward. Because currently, if I add the position here, my target profit is around the 1900 zone. Then the upwards potential profit is not that rewarding for me, so I'll have to wait for the price to pull back more. So I think that's it for this week. The S&P 500, the Nasdaq 100, New York Composite are all showing some minor retrace and then further upwards movement for the Dow Jones Industrial and the Transportation Index. I'll be expecting some retracement within the next few weeks before the price continue upwards. Okay, and then for gold, I'll not be looking to adding any position next week. So with that, thank you for watching this video. See you again next week. Bye bye.